downstream processing is a critical part of all biomanufacturing. In fact, as much as 80% of the total cost of producing many biopharmaceuticals lies in the downstream process. For anyone working in this space, it is critical to understand both the overall flow and design of the process, as well as the specifics of the key unit operations of centrifugation, chromatography, and membrane separations.
Bioproducts encompass a very wide variety of products and can range from the pharmaceutical industry to enzymes for laundry detergents. And so there's lots of different unit operations that come into play.
So it's actually a real pleasure to turn the workshop over to Dr. Gomez because she was one of the junior faculty that I hired during my tenure as department head for chemical engineering. She has very broad expertise in the area of biological aspects of chemical engineering, with a significant experience dealing with both cells as well as biological molecules. And I think she'll do a fantastic job with the downstream processing workshop.
So we're excited to be asked to be involved in helping to offer this workshop. I've taught bioseparations here at Penn State, and I'm looking forward to extending this to a broader audience from beyond Penn State students. And I've enjoyed learning a lot about bioseparations from Andrew over my time here at Penn State, and the great things that his lab has done in terms of membrane separations.